Hello everyone, this is your girl Pauline from My Crafting Hut, coming back today to show you all this gift that I finally wrapped. The camera's not doing it justice, but it looks very good. This is the bow that I put on it. Tell me what you all think. Should I change it? Should I change the color? But I like the way it's shaped. I think I did pretty good on the bow. But yeah, so I finally wrapped that one. And here's another one that I just did this today. There's a couple others similar to this that I'm working on. And I'll have them ready sometime today. So yeah, just wanted to come on and show this one. So these are the Dollar Tree products that's in here. We have the bath salt. We have the candle came from Dollar General. The hand cream right there. We have the tumbler. We have the bath wash. That's the new one that's out from Dollar Tree. Of course, we have this loofah, 3-color loofah. And I tried to blend in the flowers with the body wash, the sunflower there. And yep, have some more flowers over here. And I have one of my little flower designs on here from the Dollar Tree. Thanks to first saw Boss Lady Felicia using these, and then I saw other people since then. And this is the soft version to the hard one. They have the soft and the hard, and I went with the soft and just used some double-sided tape on it. So yeah, so that's the way this one here turned out. And yeah, just wanted to come on and show this. So thank you all for watching. Please hit the like and share button, hit the comment, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe. I'd love to have you become a part of my family. Also, if you are a subscriber, you know I appreciate you, and I thank you for supporting me. Until the next video, God bless. See ya.